So this is the weekend.
Can you come to me?
Are you sure it's on the weekend?
I think so, yeah.
I thought it was in winter.
No.
You're having a good time.
Like a little man.
Samson, come. Sit. Samson, sit.
Mitch!
Sit. Sit. You must volunteer.
Mitch!
Must
Coming
sit.
down? The student wants to do the key thing.
Good boy.
You call Mitch in the shopping center.
Must come back. Good boy.
When you called him in the shopping center, it sounded like you were trying to let her kiss. Happy April.
Are you videoing this?
Yeah. Samson.
Okay, bye.
Samson. Give Jacob a kiss. Samson, go give Jacob a kiss. Samson. Samson, come here. Come here. Come here. Samson, come here. Give Jacob a kiss. No? All right. Jacob, are you spinning the wheel? Are you spinning the wheel round and round? Is that funny? You want to turn it up right side up and go for a walk?
Okay, should we put a ball in here? Let me get you some balls. We'll put some balls in here, okay?
Samson. Samson. 1, 2, 3.
Jacob.
Glad.
Look.
Here, I'm gonna steer it so you can. Whoa! 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 Boom! Here. Here. Come.
Rub it.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
Drop it.
Drop it.
Samson, drop it.
Samson, drop it.
Drop it.
You're so good.
Samson, drop it.
Good boy.
Jacob. Hi. Are you coming to Daddy? Okay, come here. I'm coming. That's very cute.